our 50 liters electric soy milk maker. First off, the overall dimensions. We have an overall height of 41.5 inches with legs. Located on 3 corners will be clamps that can be released holding the main lid on top. Measurements for the lid itself will include 14.25 inches radius all around, and inside will be the filtration cylinder that can be removed. Height for the filtration cylinder will include 25.25 inches. Top measuring 8 inches in radius. And the bottom of the cylinder will measure 6 inches. Located on the very bottom will be the elements surrounding the serrated blade, where the filtration cylinder will rest on top, so your products, such as soybeans, can be poured in. That will mulch and grind your products into soy milk. Located on the side here will be the anti-overflow system. Okay, that's it. Coming to the front will be the functions and features, including much more besides soy milk that this machine can dispense. On the very bottom will be a nozzle to dispense your soy milk. And on the side will be hard wiring that will be required to run and operate this soy milk maker. Left and right grip handles that can swivel and pivot the soy milk machine. Be sure to check out our other sizes for our soy milk makers. All the main bowls can be removed and be used as tabletop units. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.